Hey guys, it's me Sherika. I just was coming on here today because when I posted my last video I said I was getting a package, and that package has arrived today. It came this morning. Actually, I take that back. It came this afternoon, but when it came, I ended up having to take a shower and go to the doctor. Then after the doctor, I had to go get something to eat, and I went straight to work, and now I'm home. So this package has been sitting here for like 6-7 hours waiting for me to come home. I'm representing with my J-Hope shirt on. Let's see if y'all can see that. So cute. Anyways, yeah, and there's my BTS wall behind me. And I like butterflies, so, and they have butterflies and stuff in their videos. And anyways, that's not why we're here. We're here because I'm going to unbox this. This is what it came in. My info is all right there, but yeah. Okay. Let me be careful this time because I think last time when I was opening something, I freaking cut something that wasn't supposed to be cut. So, and this is all I have, so I'm trying to be really careful because I swear if I mess this up or something, I will cry. Sorry if I'm shaking the table and stuff. Okay. Here it is. And I bought this off of YesAsian.com. And again, they didn't put the price on here, so I don't even remember how much I paid for this or for these, but there's one. Then here's the back. Then here's the second one. There's the back. I'll take the plastic off in a minute. The front of this just says, you never walk alone. Doesn't say anything on the back. Let's see if this one does. Nope. I'm going to open this one first. Trying to be careful. And there's going to just be random music playing in the background. I'm pretty sure somebody on that song. Let me see. I really like this song. I really like their new one. Anyways, turn that back down. This was in there. Little cutie Ratmon. I kind of just flipped through and found that because it popped right open at that. And this, something that I can't read, so let me open the pink one too, so they're both open. Here's this. And then that the album is in the very back of the book. Pictures. Just looking for one specific person at the moment. And there he is. Oh my god. Oh. Sorry. I'm about to fangirl again. I'm gonna put this back in the back of the book because knowing me, I'll mess it up or something. Let's see. Ah, yay! That makes me so happy. There's the back. And this again. This is in the pink one. I'm gonna try and see if I can. I'm kind of gonna just like flip through the book, but I want to do it so you guys can see that too. Let me see. Can y'all see that? I hope so. I'm kind of gonna just flip through really quick so y'all see what's in there. Sorry, I finally got a tripod for my iPhone, and then I'm still like not putting it up there right. Jen is just so handsome. And look at Sugar, like, again, creeping up on me. And Jamin just, he looks so good in headbands. Oh man, when I saw him in Not Today, I literally was screaming. And then when I saw J-Hope in them leather pants, I mean, I died. I mean, I've been dead, but I died again. I'm gonna flip through this one too. And see, when y'all order stuff, like, pay attention to what y'all ordering, because I obviously was not paying attention to what I ordered, because when I opened the package, I was like, did they just send me books? Like, a book with pictures and stuff in it? I was like, I thought I got the albums. And then that's when I looked at the bottom and I saw all the stuff on the bottom. But yeah, I mean, that's all. I cannot. Remember how much I paid for this. I'm thinking it was less than $40. Maybe. Let me just be on the safe side. I think it was less than $50. But anyways, I wish these had like a casing over them, like this album, The Best of Korea right here does. So now I gotta figure out somewhere to put these. But yeah, this video was just real quick. That's all. And I just gotta say, I love the color of Ratmon's hair in Not Today, because purple is my favorite color. And I also like pink. And of course, he's gonna look good with whatever color he has. I don't care. He's just gonna look good. They all look good. But J-Hope is my bias. He's my ultimate bias. Oh, here's this. I really like that.